Hey everybody, welcome back to Heat My Shorts. It's kind of hard to hide what I'm doing here, so I'm just gonna step back. Try not to trip over the tripod here. Hope you've been having a good day. It's been a pretty good day here for sure. Had a really good visit with a buddy actually. Kendi and her two daughters popped by. Had a good hangout for a little bit. She's going to school right now to be a paramedic, so that's pretty exciting. So hitting the books hard, and got a chance to see them while she was in town for the weekend, and was kind enough to bring over a bag of Thanksgiving dinner leftovers for me to enjoy here at home. So thank you very much, Kendi. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for the hangout, and thanks for the leftovers. I haven't enjoyed them yet. It's not quite dinner time yet, but figured I'd get this video done first, get a little appetizer in me, and maybe think about dinner in a few hours. I'm not actually even sure what time it is. I'm kind of curious now. Well, it's 3:30, a couple hours before dinner, I suppose. So anyways, what we have here, we have some purple flash peppers. Hold them up a little bit closer. Yeah, here you go. You can kind of see them. They're very small. These were grown from seeds that we got from Silver Creek Pepper Company. They're actually an ornamental pepper. They're not meant to be eaten. It's just a very nice looking pepper. Actually, that is the plant right there behind us that they came from. Actually, I'll show you a close-up of what they look like. This one's even getting a little bit of a reddish tinge to it up at the top there. Just very small peppers, like a little bit bigger than a thumbnail or a thumb tip. A fingertip, I suppose. But, yeah, they're an ornamental pepper. They're not meant to be eaten. I guess they don't have the best flavor, but they have some heat to them. I guess they, I did a little bit of researching, Googling on the internet, and I came to the conclusion that they clock in between 5 and 30,000 Scoville heat units, which is slightly higher than a serrano pepper, I guess. Serranos typically clock in between 10 and 23,000, so less of a range, but a higher bottom number, but a lower top number. So anyways, I do have my Grimfrost knife with me. I'm not going to cut these all open, but I do want to cut a couple of them open and see what the inside of them look like before I eat them. But there's 20 of them here. 5 per pile. They're just little things, so I'm gonna eat 20 of them and see how lit up I can get from that. And I will, like I said, cut the first one open and show it to you. Maybe cut a couple of them open. I'm looking for seeds that are not good. And, you know, who knows, critters might be living in there or something. Quite a bunch of seeds in there. Really nice looking. Oh, that smells like it could have a little bit of a bite to it, yeah. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside, maybe. There we go. Lots of seeds. Very nice looking pepper on the inside there. So, let's get into this. Let's eat a couple of these. Let's see how spicy these are. These are purple flash peppers from Silver Creek Pepper Company. Heat my shorts. Mm-hmm. A little bit of sweetness up front. A lot of bitter. Very perfumey. Let's eat another one. Probably at a 2 out of 10 from that. They do have a little bit of spice to them. Not a very good flavor. Not terrible, but quite bitter and floral. Oh. Nice and crunchy. I do have water. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do all 20 of these. I'm going to say that right now. But I am going to have some water, for sure. Get that taste out of my mouth a little bit. This is the 6th one? Yeah. Mmm. Hoping it doesn't rain. I'm gonna have a drink of water after the 10th one. That's probably the biggest one out of the bunch. Okay, I'm gonna have a drink of water. Number 11, I guess. Surprised Maggie's not coming over at all. It's getting spicy now, probably at a 4 or 5 out of 10. Here's number 15. I'm doing it. I'm gonna do them all. Yeah, solid 6 out of 10 from those 20 peppers. How long of a video is that? 10 minutes? Not bad. Guess we get this doggy over here. Hey Maggie, why don't you come here? Good girl. Good girl. Bring her here. Bring your man bear pig. Bring it here. Pretty good throat burn from that for sure. Hey doggy. Eyes are watering a little bit. Well, they're hazy, not quite watering yet. Pardon me. Yeah, not the greatest tasting peppers. Bitter, perfumey. First, some of them are sweet. Some of them had a nice sweetness to them. There you go. Yeah, not too much else to talk about here, other than I want to give a shout out to Chris Fergali of the Scoville unit, who ate 69 7-pot primos at a competition. I guess it's like a month ago now. New world record, more than doubled the old record. Very stoked for him. So I'm gonna leave an end screen for him on this one, because he definitely deserves more subscribers, more views, more likes. So anyways, let's see here. Maybe I'll move this. Does that work? I don't know if that really even did anything. Yeah, there we go. That kind of works. In this corner, you'll see our HeatMyShorts logo. Make sure you click that. Click subscribe if you haven't already. In this corner, the Scoville unit. Hop over there and give him a subscribe. Give them both a subscribe. Mr. and Mrs. Scoville unit. And up here, 2 playlists for you to enjoy. Have a great day, everyone. I love you all. We will hang out again soon, I promise. This has been HeatMyShorts with Maggie and Steve. The Maggie Show. Bye-bye.